Hello everyone. Today I am going to walk you through how to replace the battery in your 2022 Buick Envision. Begin by parking the vehicle on a flat surface and turning the engine off. Make sure the parking brake is set. Open the hood and secure it so it stays open safely. The battery is located under the hood on the driver's side of the engine bay. Before touching anything, wear safety gloves and glasses. First, we need to disconnect the negative terminal. This is the black cable. Use a wrench to loosen the nut on the clamp and then gently pull the cable off the battery post. Keep the cable clear of the battery so it does not touch the terminal again. Next, slide the cover off the positive terminal if your model has one. The positive terminal is usually under a red cap. Once the cover is off, use a 10 mm wrench to loosen the nut and remove the positive cable. Put the cable safely to the side. Now the battery is ready to be removed. Most Buick Envision models have a hold-down clamp at the base of the battery. When the clamp is out of the way, lift the battery straight up and out of the engine bay. Place the new battery and attach the positive cable first, followed by the negative cable. Make sure all connections are secure and clean, then close the hood. Thanks for watching.